In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subpages in Wix Studio. Whether you're building a small portfolio or a large website, organizing your pages effectively is key to making your site easy to navigate. Subpages, also known as nested pages, are an excellent way to create a clean hierarchical structure for your website. For example, you might want to organize services under a main services page or group blog posts under a blog section. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and manage subpages in Wix Studio, so your site looks professional and functions seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix Studio website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see the login option. Click on it to begin. Wix Studio offers several ways to log in, so go ahead and choose the method you prefer. For instance, you might log in with Google for simplicity, but use whichever option works best for you. After you've successfully logged into your account, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you'll see a list of all the projects you've previously worked on. From here, locate the specific project you'd like to modify and click on it. This will take you to the project's main page, where you can make adjustments to your site. Once you're on the project page, it's time to navigate to the Manage menu option. You'll typically find this option displayed prominently on the page. Go ahead and click on Manage menu, and a panel will slide out from the left side of your screen. This panel contains a list of all the current pages on your site. Now it's time to decide which page you want to make into a subpage. Look through your list of pages and find the one you'd like to designate as a subpage. Once you've identified the page, you're going to use a simple drag and drop action. Click and hold on the page you want to move, then drag it underneath the page you want it to be nested under. Be sure to hover slightly to the right until you see a small indent appear. That indent indicates that the page is now a subpage, which means it's part of a hierarchy under the main page. After you've created the subpage, it's important to double-check how these changes affect your site's overall navigation menu. A clear and intuitive structure is crucial for providing a positive user experience, so take a moment to review the navigation. Make sure everything is organized in a way that makes sense for your visitors. Finally, preview the changes to confirm that everything looks and functions as expected. Use the preview option in Wix Studio to see how the subpage displays on your site. Check that it's easy to find and that the nesting works properly. This is also a good opportunity to test the user-friendliness of your navigation menu. And that's it. You've successfully created a subpage in Wix Studio. By taking the time to organize your site's pages, you're not only improving its visual appeal, but also making it easier for users to find the information they need. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.